I'm John Badia, and I'm the clinician in charge, Luala Community Health Clinic.
My name is Rose. I'm a nurse at Luala Health Clinic.
So we are planning to do the maternity building, and in the process of doing so, we are looking at the structures that will be inbuilt in the maternity wing.
Because we don't have a place to use, so this room we use it as a kitchen. It is like MCH. We use as a delivery room. Also we put our vaccines here, so it is a bit congested. One day I was teaching pregnant women. They were about 20 clients. Then one came in labor. So I decided just to deliver in this room.
So this is how we conducted the delivery. Sister Rose continued with the session teaching the 20 pregnant women. We had to set up a drip here so that we could have a private space to deliver the mother. So actually when the drip was done, closed, we set up the mother this other side, and we had her deliver a kidneys, nice little girl, and actually went home nicely. But the thing is, all the mothers could hear her screaming back this other side because the only thing that was covering this place was just a drip. In the new maternity wing, mothers will have a safer, hygienic room to deliver, and at the same time a separate place to have their teaching conducted without any interruptions. So this will be the maternity room, which the maternity wing. Inside the maternity wing, we'll have the labor room, we'll have the delivery room, we'll have the recovery room, and we'll have the shower rooms that will take care of the patients at the recovery room, and a clinician room, and a waiting place for the patients who are bringing all the clients in the wing.
We are glad, and we know that we are actually doing what is supposed to be done.